Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Bright. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Golang in Mac M1 to M3 and then how we can write our first program. So if it's what you're looking for, please keep watching the video. So first of all, we will install Golang and then we will install a text editor to write our first program. In our video, we will use Vscode, Visual Studio Code. Finally, we will install some extensions and write our first Go program. So let's install Golang first. To install Golang, type Golang installation in your browser and then click download and install and then click download. Down here we can see all the stable versions. You can choose your preferred version among them, but in our video we will just go with the latest one. In the feature download sessions, we will choose the Apple, Mac, M64 among other OS and then just click it and download the file. After we done downloading, click on the downloaded file to install. Press continue, install and enter your password. After that, the installation will begin. We will see that the installation was successful if there is no error. Then we can press done and remove the installation file to the trash. Now let's confirm whether Golang is installed successfully on our machine. Open the terminal and then type Go version. If Golang is installed without any problem, we can see the Go version that we installed. Now let's install our code editor to write our first program. We will use Visual Studio Code, Vscode in my video. To install Vscode, go to your browser and type Visual Studio Code, then press this link, then press download Mac Universal. After we done downloading, move the Vscode to the application folder. Please don't copy and paste the Vscode to the application. Move it permanently so that you will not face some error later. Then double click the Vscode and then press open. Now this step is optional. I like to open my project folder in Vscode from that command line like this. To be able to open from terminal, press Command plus P in your Vscode and then type greater than sign and then type install code. Press OK and then type your password and then OK again. Now we got Golang and text editor installed and we will start writing our first program. First, let's make a project folder. I will name it Golang First Program. Go to the project folder. First, we will enable dependency tracking for our project. In Golang, we use packages for printing, calculation, etc. from other modules. We manage this dependency within our own module. The module is defined with Go.mod file and it tracks the dependencies. To enable dependency tracking, we will use the command go mod init. For our example, we will type go mod init Golang first program. And then we will create main.go file where we will write our first program. And then open your project file in code editor with the command code dot. In Go.mod file, we can see our module name and the Go version that we are currently using. Let's write our first program in main.go. When you click main.go, Vscode will recommend Go Vscode extension. Please install this extension. If you don't get the recommendations, you can install by going to extensions and then search Golang. Install the one with the blue mark. For the file name, it doesn't need to be main.go. It can be anything like hello.go, app.go, etc. Every Go program is made of packages and start running at package main. So we will start our program by defining package. And then we will write our function called main. Inside, we will simply print hello world. We will use Go standard library fmt to print. So to print, type fmt.println and then inside, let's write a message. To learn more about FMT package, you can visit official website. You will mostly use this page to explore about Go packages and documentations. Let's run the code to see our message. We can type go ran //. Here we go, we see our output. We can also run go ran main.go. It will only run main.go and the current directory. Inside the Go program, you will see that we didn't call the main function, but it runs. It's because main function is called automatically in Golang. Alright, that's all for today's video. We install Golang, Vscode, and write our first program. If you have error or suggestions about what kind of coding tutorial I should do, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.